In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Google Forms header. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change or remove a header image and how to pick a new one that makes your form look polished and on brand. First, open Google Forms in your browser. You'll land on a page where you can start a new form or choose a ready-made design. To make this quick and visually consistent, open the template gallery at the top. This shows a collection of templates organized by use case like event registration or feedback. Pick any template that's close to what you need and click it to open. Using a template just gives you a head start. You can still fully customize the look and feel. With the form open, look to the top right for the Customize Theme icon. It looks like a little paint palette. Click it to open the theme panel on the right side. This panel controls your header image, colors, and fonts. In the header section, at the top of that panel, you can remove the current header image if you don't want it. Removing it will switch your form to a simple colored header, which can be a clean option if you prefer a minimalist look or want better readability. When you're ready to add a new image, choose the option to select a header image. Google gives you three convenient paths. The first is Themes, which is a built-in library of professionally sized banners. These are organized by categories and automatically fit the header space, so they're a great quick win if you don't have a custom image ready. If you do have your own graphic, choose Upload to add an image from your computer. A wide landscape banner works best here. Think panoramic rather than tall. After you upload, Google Forms may prompt you to crop the image to fit the header area. Center key elements like logos or text so they aren't cut off. You can also select photos to pull images from your Google Photos library. This is handy if you've already saved brand images or event graphics in your account. Just pick the photo you want, confirm, and Forms will place it in the header. Once the image is in place, Forms often suggests complementary theme colors based on your header, which keeps everything cohesive. If the text becomes hard to read, try a lighter or darker header image, or adjust the theme colors below the header options. All changes save automatically, and you can preview the form live at the top as you work. When it looks right, close the theme panel and you're done.